right, y'all. Let's go through this. We're simplifying these again. Remembering how to do this. It's gonna come up in the rest of this chapter. All that jazz. So, let's start with this one. What are we gonna do here? Start with the top one. I'm gonna get this as simplified as possible. Yeah, on this guy we can find a GCF. What is our GCF? 3. What's left over when I remove a 3?
3 and 6.
No. If I take 3 out of 3x, what's left?
8.
If I take 3 out of 3x,
3.
x. If I take 3 out of 3x, I'm left with just the x. Minus 3 out of 24? 8. There we go. Then we're going to do the same process, kind of, with this. We're going to try and factor that guy. This is when we put our a times c at the top. A is 1, c is 48, so we have 48 at the top. B is negative 14. What pair of numbers did we find that multiplies to be 14, or multiplies to be 48 and adds to be negative 14? Six and 8. Positive 6 and positive 8? To add to negative 14? Negative 8 and negative 6. When the top number's positive, they're going to match signs. Whatever the sign is going to be what's on the bottom. So if the top number matches, their signs match. Or if the top number's positive, their signs match. Sorry. So our factored form is x minus 6, x minus 8. What do I do now?
Look for like terms.
Look for like terms. Do we have a like term here?
X minus 8.
The x minus 8. I have that on top and bottom. So my simplified answer is 3 over x minus 6. Same process on the bottom one. We're wanting to get this into, ooh, wrong pen. We're going to get this into factored form so that we can simplify it. So let's look at our numerator here. What do we get when we factor this? What goes at the top? Negative 10. And the bottom? 9. What pair of numbers multiplies to be negative 10 and add to be 9? 10 and negative 1. So our factored form here is x plus 10, x minus 1. Same process on our denominator. What do we do here? GCF. Yeah, what's our GCF? 2. What do we have left over when I remove a 2? Careful. You've only taken the 2 out of one piece there. I have 2x, and I'm taking 2 out. X plus 10. If I redistribute this bottom piece out, I should wind up with exactly this. So if I redistribute this, 2x and 20, make sure you think about it that way. We're undistributing this 2. So now we're looking to see if we can simplify. Do I have anything here I can simplify?
Yes.
What can I simplify?
X plus 10.
The x plus 10 is on both the top and the bottom. So our simplified answer is x minus 1 over 2. Questions on these two? This simplifying stuff is so critical to this chapter. Like, honestly, it's going to be simplifying. We're going to do some graphing stuff. We're going to have some story problems. But it uses these. It uses these. We'll have one other piece in there. But it uses these. Okay? And it uses these skills. So that is why we are practicing so hard on these. That if you did not do the puzzle thingy yesterday, you're going to do it today. If you need more time to work on the puzzle thing, you can finish it. Okay? Because what we just did was this problem here and this problem here. We did two of them. So you can match up I, K, and F as it is right now. We did these two matches. This was the second Bell-work problem. This was the first Bell-work problem. Or other way around. This is the first Bell-work problem. This was the second. And this is the answer we got. And this is the answer we got. So use this time and finish it up. Get as many as you can done. Don't take it home at the end of today. But use this time and finish it up. If you did finish it yesterday, go work on Alex. Or on homework, because almost everybody has something missing. Not everybody, but almost everybody. So if you finished the puzzle yesterday, that does not mean it's a day off. You have other math things to do. Okay? Tomorrow we'll get kicking on notes and stuff, and we're going to start graphing these things. Okay? If you need another copy of the puzzle or anything, I've got them in the bottom folder of the hanging file thing. But I think most of you are over here. So, yeah. Go for that. Let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to help. When you're using scratch paper for the solving thing on this, you can use a dry erase on the desk. That's totally fine. Or you can use paper, or you can use whatever you want. Don't matter. Alrighty. So do the thing. Turn it in today. Don't take it with you. That's not homework. Just in classwork today. Yesterday and today. So turn it in today. And you'll get points for it. Absolutely. I always get points for the journey. But yeah, that's kind of the vibe for today. Chill day. Yes, darling.